Definitely. Come on board. Come on, Jenny. Good to see
Take
you.
us out?
Yeah, definitely. The new Audi.
7:23, we got up 6 a.m. in the morning. Why? Because we gotta catch a flight. No amount of money is worth being stuck in traffic every fucking day. Damn. Good on my car is hybrid, electricity. We're almost there.
Sir?
So which one are we?
Going to Seattle first.
Let's go.
Do you guys know what it is?
It means congratulations. You just got picked for a random search. Pat me down like a fucking criminal. Check my phone, check my computer, all this shit. And then we got stopped at the custom again. Unfucking legal.
Mr. Luke is sleeping.
Definitely. Come on board. Come on, Jenny. Good to see
Take
you.
us out?
Yeah, definitely. The new Audi.